Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, I am going to discuss about firstly job we will see specification. What is mean by job specification? Job specification is an important aspect of job analysis. It describes the type of employees required in terms of skills, experience, attitude, and test scores of various types, and outlines the particular working conditions that are encountered on the job. Job specification is essentially a set of specification about people required on the job. The job specification includes a brief job summary designed to give the recruiter a feel of the job and to set the stage for greater detail. Thus, the preparation of sound job specifications involve three distinct activities. First one, collecting relevant data about the job. Second one is analyzing the data and transforming it into a written job description and deriving from that description a job or a person specification. Then we will see the definitions of job analysis. First definition of job specification is a job specification is a statement of minimum acceptable human qualities necessary to perform a job properly. Second definition is job specification is a statement of the needed knowledge, skill, abilities of the person who is to perform the job. Then job specification has five top elements. Those are physical specification, mental specification, emotional and social specifications, behavioral specifications, and personal specification. First one is physical specification. Some specific physical features may be essential to perform a particular job. The physical abilities and skills must be specified. The kind of physical effort required and the duration of such exertion are the points discussed here. For example, continuous walking, standing, or lifting of heavy objects is essential for certain jobs. The features include height, weight, vision, voice, hand and foot coordination, motor coordination, color discrimination, age, gender, etc. Then second is mental specifications. Intelligence, memory, judgment, ability to plan, ability to estimate, ability to read, ability to write, ability to think, concentrate, and conceptualize and analytical ability come within the purview of mental specification. Intelligence test measures the overall intelligent quotient of a candidate. And then third one is emotional and social specifications. Individuals are required to discharge duties in work environment that demand particular behavioral disposition. A person working in the reception of an organization or a public relations department needs to interact with many unknown people throughout the day. His or her personal appearance must be conducive to work the situation. Visitors need realistic information with regard to various aspects of production, purchase, cost, availability, presence of any dignitary, etc. Then fourth one is behavioral specifications. While executing and performing the duties and responsibilities, a person needs to execute a set of manners, behavioral disposition, etiquette, and conform to norms. Accomplishing the task is not an end in itself. It is the employee behavior that constitutes the organizational culture. Then last one is personal specification. Personal specifications include attributes of the person essential to perform the job correctly and adequately. A person's characteristics must be relevant, independent, and accessible. Relevant characteristics means only those characteristics connected demonstrably with the success or failure of the job should be specified. For example, a salesperson must have a high degree of tolerance and be a good listener, be smiling and communicating, and have in possession full knowledge of the product. Then independent characteristics. In independent characteristics, overlapping elements should be avoided. And accessible characteristics. Accessible characteristics are only those attributes that can be assessed with the selection tools that are available. Usually, application form and interviews should be included. So, these are the top 5 elements of the job specification. Thank you.